name's Freddie Briggs. I'm the owner of Tier 1 Helicopters. We have 3 locations, one in Hampton. We have one in Auburn, Alabama, and we have a location in Columbus, Georgia now. Each of our locations, we have an R-22 and an R-44 helicopter that we use primarily for flight training. Some of our stuff we do some law enforcement work, we do some night vision goggle training. We also have a Bell 47 we like to do some fun stuff in when the weather's nice and some fly-ins and events like that. But today, the reason I'm here with you guys is because I have a customer who would like to have his aircraft ferried down to Naples, Florida. And he talked to me about stopping in and getting you guys to do a quick check on the track and balance. And then once we get that done, we'll be on our way to Naples. So we bring our aircraft here primarily for 100 hours and annual inspections. Any unscheduled maintenance, we try to get those over here as well. Sometimes we're AOG, so we'll fly you guys to the aircraft, to the different locations, and you guys can get the aircraft returned back to service that way as well. So it's been a very productive relationship, and I'm very thankful for, again, the partnership with PS and PAG. Really keeps our aircraft in a safe manner, and it keeps our customers happy, keeps our instructors flying, and it keeps us continue to build revenue. Currently, we're flying about 250 hours a month on those aircraft, so you can tell we definitely need your support. So we're definitely very appreciative of the support that PAS and PAG's provided us over the last 4 years. We started out January 2nd of 2021 with 1 aircraft, and now we're up to 8. If our aircraft's on the ground, we can't make money. And so I know we put a lot of pressure on you guys to keep our aircraft up and keep them in a safe manner. And that's what we really rely on you guys for. One of the most recent events that I could speak of that you guys were in support of indirectly was Hurricane Helene. You know, we sent 3 helicopters up there for 4 days to provide relief efforts for the guys in Western North Carolina. And if it wasn't for the maintenance crew here, honestly, we wouldn't be able to provide that support. So we're very appreciative of that relationship.